At our Texas-based location, we build and manufacture industrial portable UV 360-degree sanitation light carts that kill 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, and other harmful microbes. From concept to design, our UV light carts are built from the ground up in our fabrication shop and assembled by our expert team of welders and electricians. These sanitation carts harness the power of 254 nanometer germicidal ultraviolet light protected by 304 stainless steel. Here at Larson Electronics, we take pride in every step of the process when we create a product. Our Texas-made UV sanitation light carts are smooth and easy to transport, easy to operate, and a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. We also offer these UV sanitation carts in a smaller, more compact size. Our lights are also available in a variety of lamp quantities. When you buy from Larson Electronics, you'll see that quality and ease of operation is our top priority. Our UV lighting products are Texas-made and Texas-strong. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.